In any workplace environment, hazards exist. Think of your workplace like a beach. Hazards are like sharks in the water and a potential danger that could cause harm. When we are on the sand, the hazard exists, but the risk of harm is low. However, if we get in the water, the shark is no longer just a hazard. It has become a risk, with a real chance of causing serious damage. This is where risk management comes in. Risk management is the process of identifying hazards, assessing risks, and putting controls in place to manage those risks, preventing harm from occurring. By understanding the processes involved in risk management, we can all contribute to keeping each other safe, at work or even at the beach.